Idioms for beginners. Piece of cake, meaning very easy. The math test was a piece of cake. Cooking rice is a piece of cake. Under the weather, meaning feeling sick. I am feeling under the weather today. She stayed home, feeling under the weather. Break a leg, meaning good luck. Go play your best. Break a leg. You have a big show. Break a leg. Once in a blue moon, meaning very rarely. I eat pizza once in a blue moon. He visits us once in a blue moon. Hit the books, meaning to study. It is time to hit the books. I must hit the books for my exam. Call it a day, meaning stop working. I am tired. Let's call it a day. We finished the job. Call it a day. A ripoff, meaning too expensive. Don't buy it. It's a ripoff. This coffee is a total ripoff. Better late than never, meaning better to arrive late. You are here. Better late than never. I finished the book. Better late than never. No pain, no gain, meaning work hard to win. Keep running. No pain, no gain. Exercise is hard, but no pain, no gain. Beat around the bush, meaning avoid the topic. Do not beat around the bush. Stop beating around the bush and tell me. Cut corners, meaning do a fast, poor job. Do not cut corners on your work. He cut corners to finish the house. Hang in there, meaning don't give up. English is hard, but hang in there. Life is tough. Just hang in there. Let the cat out of the bag, meaning tell a secret. Who let the cat out of the bag? I accidentally let the cat out of the bag. Through thick and thin, meaning in good and bad times. They're friends through thick and thin. I will help you through thick and thin. Break the ice, meaning start a conversation. I told a joke to break the ice. Let's play a game to break the ice. Costs an arm and a leg, meaning very expensive. That car costs an arm and a leg. New phones cost an arm and a leg. Get out of hand, meaning get out of control. The party got out of hand. The noisy crowd got out of hand. On the fence, meaning undecided. I'm still on the fence. She is on the fence about the job. Miss the boat, meaning miss a chance. Hurry up or you will miss the boat. He was too slow and missed the boat. See eye to eye, meaning to agree. We do not see eye to eye. They finally see eye to eye on this. Time flies, meaning time passes fast. It is 5 p.m. already. Time flies. Time flies when we play games. Easy does it, meaning go slowly or carefully. Easy does it with that glass. The floor is wet. Easy does it. So far, so good. Meaning everything is fine now. How is the new job? So far, so good. I am learning English. So far, so good. Pull yourself together, meaning calm down. Pull yourself together and stay calm. She had to pull herself together. Make up your mind, meaning to decide. Please make up your mind soon. I can't make up my mind. Keep in touch, meaning stay in contact. Call me soon. Let's keep in touch. They keep in touch by email. A change of heart, meaning change your opinion. He had a change of heart. I had a change of heart about the trip. Out of the blue, meaning suddenly or unexpectedly. He called me out of the blue. The rain started out of the blue. Give it a shot, meaning to try something. I will give it a shot. Do you want to give it a shot? Under my nose, meaning right in front of me. The keys were right under my nose. I missed it. It was under my nose.
Thank you for watching this video till the end. I hope you learned something new today. Now click on these 2 videos on the screen to keep improving your English. I'll see you there. Bye.